What's going on, good people? This is Terrence Hill with Southern Gentleman's Table TV. Man, if you haven't yet, man, please like and subscribe to our channel, man. We always got good stuff coming, always big stuff on the move. Today, we're gonna get into doing a Nutty Buddy chocolate bundt cake. So man, let's get into it, man. It's gonna be fun. All right, so now we're gonna get into this thing, man. We're just gonna make this cake from scratch. It's gonna be a chocolate-based cake, obviously. Now, I'm purposely using, this is probably one of the best cake flours you can use at King Arthur, man. So I'm using cake flour. But first thing first, we're gonna get into going through what I call the creaming method, right? So I have my butter here, so I got a cup of butter, all right? And now if you notice again, I'm always using kind of a high fat content butter. It's a European butter. They normally tend to be really good. So we're gonna do this creaming method here first. So and then now I got 2 1/4 cups of white sugar, all right? Those all added in. So now, what I have now is my dry ingredients, okay? So in this bowl right here, I have 2 1/4 cups of that cake flour. I have a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I got a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. I have 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And then what makes the color, I have 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. And then one of my other key ingredients that I always like to use, especially in a chocolate cake, I have 1 tablespoon of finely ground coffee. So I'm gonna do a little bit at a time. Now you look at the cake, it looks super thick. But I got one of my key ingredients right here. I got 1 cup of sour cream, all right? I got 1 cup of boiling water. Now, when you add that water to it, it's gonna make it, I want you to, let's see here, let's see if I can do this here. I want you to look at that. That looks good. Oh man, it looks like we're making milk chocolate. Oh yeah. Oh man, look at that. I got my bundt cake pan. I have my cake release. I have a recipe. If you find it on our channel, I have in my opinion, it's the best cake release. And so please go find that video. But anytime you're baking a cake of any sort, always use this cake release. It's the best out. So you don't have to worry about doing the oil and the flour and all this. Just use this cake release and I promise you, it's gonna be the best thing for you. The cake's gonna come out perfect every time. So I'm getting that together. Oh yeah. It's nice, it's incorporated. All right. All right. Now when we come back, we're gonna go ahead and start putting it together. We're gonna start putting the pan, and we're gonna incorporate the Nutty Buddies. It's gonna come together, all right? All right, guys. All right, so listen, we're back now, and so now I got about 3 packs, about 6 of these Nutty bars. We're gonna just cut them up real quick. Cut it up in little bitty pieces. All right, so there we go. All right, so now look, we're gonna take half of our batter. Look at that, look how smooth that is. We're gonna take half of that batter. All right. All right, now we took half the batter, so I got half the batter in here. You see that? Now, I'm gonna sprinkle those Nutty bar pieces right on top of that. Let you see that. You see that? Now, we're gonna pour the rest of that batter right over top of that. Make sure you cover all those pieces. Oh yeah. Yeah, look at that. So now listen, we getting ready to go and bake this at 350 degrees for 50 to 55 minutes, or until a toothpick is inserted into the center and it comes out clean. All right, so let's do that when we come back. All right, good people, so listen, it's been 50 minutes. Look at that. Look at that bad boy. Man, listen here. So now I'm gonna let it rest in this pan for about 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna invert it on this rack. Then we come right back. Let's go ahead and make the chocolate buttercream frosting. All right, let's make it happen. All right, so listen, let's get into making this chocolate buttercream frosting. But first, we got that cake. I just want you to see. Let's see what it looks like. We'll lift that up off of there. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. No stick. Tell this thing is, that cake releases money all the time. All right. All right, so chocolate buttercream. So listen, I got a cup of unsalted butter. It's already softened. Again, I left it out. gonna start that off slow. I'm gonna add in a half a cup of cocoa powder.
Didn't think you would ever believe in me. Now I see your colors, now they're in my dreams. Do I need a touch or do I just need sleep? Cause I've been up for almost 3 weeks. Oh, you think you got to me? All you did was use me, round and round we go. We go. Baby, baby, now I'm trying to forget you.
Alright, what's going on, good people? Alright, so look, I'm gonna show you. Well, first of all, you see the birthday boy over here. Look at this, man. Alright, so I'm gonna cut it. Cut him a slice. Cut me a slice. Ooh, look at that. Alright, we're gonna try it. What you think? Yeah. That's really good. Like I said, even if you don't necessarily want to put the bars on top, if you want to just have it on the inside, that's good too. But it's tasty, it's very moist, really good. Alright, appreciate you guys. What's going on, good people? Hey, so listen, this is day 2, this is the next day on this cake. And I wanted to just share so first of all, the cake, it's amazing, all right? I mean, the actual cake itself, it's good, it's moist, it's rich. The chocolate buttercream frosting, again, amazing, it's really good. Now, I want to talk about these wafer pieces. And this is kind of discovery, right? So this is my first time making it with these pieces. I made this cake for years. The one thing I'll say though, although it was good, but as I tasted the next day, these wafer pieces are stale. And I think because the air, hits them, they're just not as tasty as I would like. And so I wanted to just share, hey, listen, if you want to just make this cake, the chocolate Bundt cake with the chocolate buttercream frosting, I'll make sure to have the recipe. But just a PSA, it's just, these pieces, they taste fine yesterday, but overnight, I guess again, they're not as crisp, and so I want to make sure that you guys get the best product. If you're going to make this, I want it to be amazing. And so I just wanted to share that. So, but again, the cake, man, I wouldn't change anything. It's great. But with these, I would, be cautious about that, all right? Appreciate you guys.